Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix iPhone cannot find Bluetooth device. So in order to fix iPhone cannot find Bluetooth device, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So you could actually do this procedure. So there are a couple of different steps. First thing is turn your iPhone Bluetooth off and on again. So for that you want to go to settings, go to the Bluetooth section, then you want to simply toggle the button or turn it off. As you do it, so once again turn on the Bluetooth, see whether that fixes your issue or not. If the issue still persists on, what next you actually want to do is you also want to disconnect the Bluetooth device from your iPhone. So for that you want to go to settings, then go to the Bluetooth, and you want to go ahead and look for the device that you're connected. Click on the I button and simply click on disconnect. As you do it, so you want to then go ahead and make sure to reconnect it by going to the device or pairing the device once again. Click on the I button and then click on forget this device and see that fixes your issue or not. Despite of doing all of these procedures, if nothing seems to be working out, you also want to make sure to unpair and repair the Bluetooth device to your iPhone. For that, you want to go to the settings once again and you want to go ahead and make sure to forget this device and see that fixes your issue or not. The other thing what you could do is you could simply restart the device and see whether that fixes your issue or not. So these are some of the ways to fix it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.